So for our final dish here of the day in this beautiful backyard, we're gonna do a lettuce wrap. We're gonna marinate our chicken and our mushrooms. And we're gonna go a little bit of olive oil. I like to do each one individually and have it all evenly coated here. So we're gonna go a little salt and pepper on there. Into the grill they go. Now we're gonna prep up our chicken, which I like just a little bit of oil, salt and pepper, and then a great new little product that I found, Thai style red curry powder. It's really nice on chicken. So we're gonna go just a dust of that and onto the grill with the mushrooms. Ooh, sizzle. We're gonna do our vinaigrette. I'm gonna start off with chunks of ginger, little slabs of ginger here, a tablespoon. And we're gonna do a shallot piece like that. We're gonna just give it a little rough cut here into the Vitamix. And then a little bit of serrano chili. Just give it a little taste. It's spicy. You don't want too spicy, so I did 4 pieces of serrano there. This is called a finger lime. They're from Australia, but now they're grown domestically. And it's like, it has a flavor of kaffir lime. So we're gonna take 1 finger lime and we're gonna go all in with that right there. These are Virginia's salted roasted peanuts. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons. For the sake of measuring here, we're gonna go 2 caps of rice wine vinegar. Then we're gonna do some tamari for all you gluten-free beauties out there. 1 cap of tamari, a 1/2 cap of sesame oil, big tablespoon mustard, little crack of pepper, and then onto the blender we go. And those peanuts are gonna give this vinaigrette a really nice viscosity right off the bat. These mushrooms are just starting to get there. So you want them, the shiitakes will blacken on the top. That's perfect, that's kind of what you want. And I'm gonna move these guys a little bit to the side. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit of lime juice to this to loosen it up. You can add a little bit of water too if you want, but I think all we're gonna need here is a 1/2 a lime. So now we're gonna turn it down, keep it on, and we're gonna add our oil. Probably gonna do about 5 tablespoons here. All right, that baby's done. You can see that kind of thick there with the peanut. Give it a taste. It's beautiful, it's bright. That finger lime, if you can find them at your local grocer, specialty store, get some, try them out, they're beautiful. So let's finish up here, which we have a carrot, farm fresh, beautiful, sweet carrot, a trusty grater. I like to go on the smaller side with this guy. Just do it a little bit on a bias. That'll get you some long carrot ribbons here. Little handful of rice noodle, just like that. It's probably about a 1/2 cup. So we have cilantro. We have fresh mint. We also have some beautiful lemon basil from Cosmic Apple Gardens. And we're gonna put all these together, give it a little chop. Into the bowl we go. Well, I'm gonna let the chicken rest for a minute, and then we're gonna work on our mushrooms here and get that into the bowl. So get our nice julienne on the mushroom. Beautiful shiitakes, tastes like steak. Now we can go in with our chicken. If your chicken is a little bit thicker, you can cut it in half too. And you can kind of just give it a little rough chop there and fire it right in there. Oh, that smells delicious. So we're gonna just ladle that on there as not to dress it too much. 4 tablespoons of dressing there. We're gonna go in with a little bit of chives here. Look at that, how beautiful is that? We have our beautiful plate here. Little spoonfuls of our mixture into the lettuce and just kind of like a little taco. You just place them down like that. You can do this with butter lettuce, Lolo Rosa. You can even do this with like a radicchio or an endive. Anything would work. Little lemon basil to finish here. Chop up some peanuts. Put it right on top of the dish, but I like a little lime squeezed right up on top of it. So here's our final dish, grilled shiitake, grilled chicken, lemon basil, lettuce wraps.